Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall IIS roles on Windows Server VPS step by step clearly. To uninstall IIS roles on Windows Server VPS, begin by logging into your server. Once logged in, access the Server Manager. In the Server Manager, locate the Manage menu in the upper right corner. Click on Manage, then select Remove Roles and Features. This action will launch the Remove Roles and Features wizard. In the wizard, click Next to proceed to the server selection screen. Ensure the correct server is selected, then click Next. On the Roles page, find the Internet Information Services checkbox. Uncheck the Internet Information Services option. A prompt may appear to confirm the removal of IIS and its features. Review the features that will be uninstalled, then click Next. Continue through the wizard and reach the confirmation page. Review your selections to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Remove button to begin the uninstallation process. The system will now remove the IIS role along with its associated features. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, a summary screen will appear to inform you of the status. Click Close to exit the wizard. To verify the uninstallation, return to the Server Manager. Check the roles summary to ensure IIS is no longer listed. You have successfully uninstalled IIS roles from your Windows Server VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.